Hi, Jenny Stone here from HR Shield with your HR Rescue. Each day we get hundreds of questions from our clients and other small and mid-sized business owners about some of the most common HR issues. We figured if they have those questions, you might too. So let's provide a lifeline and share our answers to some of the most common scenarios. I'm a calendar junkie. There, I said it. I believe that in order to feel accomplished and important, I needed to fill my calendar. Every day, every moment, I filled it with meetings, calls, appointments, lunch dates, product reviews, sales pitches, networking meetings, and board meetings. I was busy, but I was not productive. All the things I was involved in served only to take up valuable time, and then I would find myself working late into the evening, and yes, on the weekends, doing the actual work I was being paid to do. I had a hard time saying no. As an HR department of one, our job is never just HR. We wear many hats: payroll, event planning, accounting, executive assistant, travel planner, safety, facilities. Heck, sometimes we even do maintenance. Not to mention the countless interruptions we get throughout the day. You know the knock on the door, followed by "got a minute," which turns into 30 minutes and another task to add to your calendar. So how do we transition from being busy to being productive? Eat the frog. You may know Brian Tracy's famous Eat the Frog technique from his classic time management book, Eat That Frog, 21 Great Ways to Stop Procrastinating and Get More Done in Less Time. Right when you start your day, choose the most unwanted task and just get it done. Learn to say no. Busy people say yes to everything. Productive people say yes carefully. Be honest with yourself about deadlines, the time commitment required, and how your skill set fits in to determine what you should devote your time to. You'll learn to say yes strategically rather than saying yes to everything. Think smaller. Set smaller, measurable goals. Align your to-do list with your calendar. By blocking out time on your calendar to tackle to-dos, you won't be derailed by meetings and lingering action items. Focus on one project at a time. Multitasking has interrupted productivity. Instead of doing multiple tasks at once, you are switch tasking, and the start and stop process prevents you from hitting a state of flow and engaging in deep work. Close the door. This is a hard one. Learning to close the door is like learning to say no. By closing the door, you let everyone know that you are not to be disturbed unless it's an emergency. Sometimes adding a sign to the door helps. By shutting out all the distractions, you can focus and efficiently use your time without being interrupted. At the end of each day, ask yourself, did my work today bring me closer to my goals, or did I just have a busy day? Honest introspection should become a daily practice as you find out which productivity methods work best for you. Take a few moments at the end of each day to meditate on what went well and what didn't. Take notes and adjust. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you can always email us for more information at support@hr-shield.com.